Let's make a chicken tikka Subway sandwich. Toast and half a baguette. Let's marinate some chicken. Salt and pepper chicken tenders. Dash of lemon juice. Teaspoon garlic ginger paste. Teaspoon of tikka paste. Olive oil. Hey bro. Let's make a sweet mustard sauce. Mayo, mustard, lemon juice. Gotta have honey for the sweetness. Chop whatever veg you like. Sweet mustard in with that beautiful chicken. Cheddar slices. Let's go stick this under the grill. Cheese is nice and melted. Damn, that looks saucy, that looks spicy, that looks so good. I'm gonna tuck it in. Look at the colors, smells amazing. Make sure to subscribe.